Right, so just gonna do a little walk just in the Ideal Prime Beach Hotel. I'm gonna do a walk along the back, going out the back entrance where the beach is. Just do a little walk one way, show you what there is. A few bars and restaurants along the way, there is. It is lunchtime, so everyone's getting food at the moment. Nice chilled out vibe. I love this bit. Oh, we've been here for 7 days now, and it's been 26 like this every day. Sorry, 26, 28 like this every day. Sun, barely a cloud in the sky. Just how us Brits like it. So let's come up the back entrance. Right, you're okay? And we're gonna go. There's not much that way. There's a few more hotels, but we're gonna walk towards Marmaris. So let's have a little look. We lifeguard on the beach. It's always good to see, especially to young children. A little bit worried about them. Hotel. Let me zoom out. Oh yes. Love it. So, water sports, jet skis over there. I might just have to change the camera again. There we go. This is the pool area that we were saying about the games. Ping pong, pool. Just pretend you didn't see them clouds there. Said to you there's no clouds. To be fair, do a 360. They're the only ones. Passa Beach Hotel, that's next door. Our balcony's looking over it, looks like a nice hotel. So, did you thinking of coming? Check the hotels out. Ideal Prime Beach, can't complain about it, it's really good. Food's been good, staff are brilliant. So yeah. Water sports, if anyone's interested in water sports. Lots of stuff to do. Hello my man, you okay? Just showing everyone the water sports you've got available. You can see this guy, he'll sort it out. Next one along we have the Emery Beach Hotel. pretty nice. So there's some beds for the hotel. What's this? Every time you go for a walk, it's always police around. It's really good. Sailing. Is that like a deep sea submarine, is it? See if I can zoom in. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. You can just bring your towel and plank your side here if you want. Because this hotel's getting done up, so. So, more water sports. You can get water sports absolutely anywhere. Should you like all that? Let's go. This is what we've just been showing. Hi, you okay, my man?
I'm okay, okay.
Should we come see you? You sort us out. There's what we've just been looking at, the underwater. Really good. Right, let's move on to the next one. This hotel looks nice. We've walked past this a couple of times. I think, is it the Blue Tui, is it called? Or Tui Blue. Looks really nice, to be honest. Louis II. And that to me looks like the TUI sign, the airline company. So if you like the look of this one, go on their website, I'm sure you'll find it. Marmaris area, looks really nice. Look at all this. Let's see, we've got the sunbags to go with it. Part of the hotel as well. It's nice. They've got their own bar on the beach, really handy. Refreshments. Good area. Let's keep going. Right, so what hotel have we got here? Can't really spot it. There's the first few couple of bars, restaurants that we can check out. Some food. Might have some prices outside, so we'll have a little look. Right. Let's have a little look. Really good. If you want an English breakfast, you can come check this place out. So, yeah. That looks nice. Diana and Sisters next door. They all have shows on at night time, really good. Show a little look at the menu over here. Wow, big choice of menu on this one. That is Diana and Sisters. So we'll have a quick look around. Look at that. That's growing all the way up. Very nice. Very good, very nice. That was horrendous. Note to self, don't do that again. So let's keep going. Been going for about 10 minutes now. Look how far Marmaris is still. I think I've touched up another video. It's about 1.7, 1.9k walk. Google Maps says it's about 35-minute walk, but in this heat, that's hard work, really hard work. If you've got children, we tried it. If you've got children, you can't walk. It's really hard on the children. So, taxi from the ideal. The prime beach is 55 Turkish lira, about £4, £3.50, £4. So it's next to nothing, isn't it? We just like to walk so you can get all the scenery and see everything there is. You never know what you stumble across. Taxi boats. So if you want a private trip, sorry, you get the taxi boats. Ah, there's the taxi boat. So that will go to Iklama, where we stayed for the day. Really nice place, I really enjoyed it. A little bit more price here, but it's worth every penny. More trips. Funny girls. A quick look at the menu. It's all cheap. Very good. So let's keep going. So I'm gonna take a walk up to the front now, come back along the front. So I'll see you at the top. So I've come up the top end, so you just walk up one of the side streets and you're on this main road. This main road, if you go that way, takes you all the way to Marmaris city centre. So we're going to have a little walk back to the hotel, see the shops that are close by. Exchange rate that they're saying 19.600. Gotta be careful, there's no commission on it, just knock it right down from what I've heard. Yeah, what? Anyone who comes to Marmaris on a regular occasion does to use private transport. Now we booked private transport. I can't remember the name of the company now, but basically it turned up and there was no one there. Lucky enough, we still had transfer with the airline provider that we used, Jet2. But they didn't actually turn up, so when I got there, it didn't turn up. I tried to ring them, eventually got a message back saying we'll be there in 5 minutes. Now at that point, a lot of people had gone. I was left standing there and I thought, I need to get on this bus, otherwise I'm paying for the taxi to get all the way there. Within 15 minutes, he still didn't turn up, so noisy. We basically jumped on the bus, then got a message to say, where are you? Half an hour after we were standing outside, with a load of rubbish saying let me down and all that, which I don't quite agree with. You gotta say you be there. You're gonna be there, aren't you? Everyone else seems to be there with the plaques with everyone's name ready to get boarded. We ordered one of them Vito vans. Have you seen them? Try and have a little look if you can find them. Got everything, TVs in the back, lovely seating area. Most importantly, you get to your hotel before everyone else on the bus, so you get to check in without standing there waiting in a queue for a while. Yeah, it seems to be a good idea, but if it comes off, I know other people are having that problems, but yeah, just let me know if anyone uses anyone and they're reliable, because we are looking at coming back. There's always taxis around. Really good. One thing they do know what to do is get to your destination very quick. So make sure you put your belt on. I'll show you really quick on some prices. That's the wrong way, fella. Greasy spoon. I've seen a few good comments on TripAdvisor. It's not really, it doesn't look like something I'd want to go, but Everyone's really friendly, to be honest. I know they want you in your shops, but shops on the other side. Let me just change the camera. Restaurant we went to in Marmaris actually said to us, well, if you're coming to have food with us, we'll come pick you up. Very kind service, but we ended up getting a taxi anyway with it being so cheap. But yeah, seem to have seen that some of the restaurants actually do service where they'll just come pick you up to get your custom. Check these guys, all the shops along here that you can come see. Hotel. Excursions. Lots of shop. You don't even have to go straight all the way into it from Marmaris if you want shopping. It is, like I said to you, it is a 1.7k walk, so it is the shops all the way. Don't just jump in the first shop and think, oh, I've got to buy it. Price it up, walk down, play them off if you want to, if that's the type of thing. There's always lots of banks around, so if you need money, don't ever worry about it. Obviously check what your provider's going to charge you. One thing to watch out for is this cycle lane here, can catch you out. This is the taxi rank we've been using, really good. Some of the prices. Really good. Hello my man. So yeah, that's the Pasta Beach, there's the entrance there. The one next to our hotel. your local bus. More shops. This is underneath Ideal Prime Beach Hotel. Have a little closer look. Yeah, some nice shops. Hello, my man. Come see him, he'll sort you out. I'll take a look at some of the shoes. Flip-flops, shoes. You have lots on offer. Really good. If you need any flip-flops, you know, everything's here. You don't even have to stress about what you need. You can just get it all here. Turkish delight, very nice. Here's the bags, the hats for the ladies. Lots of bags. Interested in some bags. Caps.
Yes, I'm here too.
Come.
Take my leaflet, do you mind?
Yeah, let's have a little look at this leaflet. Liverpool.
Liverpool?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, what about?
Unfortunately, I go back today, but I'll show everyone what you've got.
Alright, man. Thank you.
Okay,
Enjoy.
come see this guy.
Cheers, lads. Chicken and chips.
Football kits. Louis Vuitton. You see a lot of the Louis Vuitton bags around the hotels. You see all of them there. Your training shoes. Brilliant stuff. And now we are basically back to the hotel. The shops on the other side. Yeah, all I can say is bring English pounds, sterling. I brought £100 over, and it's really easy to negotiate better. Try Turkish lira. They say the exchange rate's higher than what it is. And we are back. Ideal Prime Beach Hotel. Thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you want, please. And a subscribe, that'd be brilliant. Bye guys.